Yes, so we just found the rhino. It is in the middle of this bush right there. Here, here it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Stop.
The cunning baboon. The elusive bird, the resourceful pig, and the majestic greater kudu. Each animal requires a unique approach, a different strategies, and the hunter knew that to succeed, they will need to combine their skills and work as one. The forest around them was alive with the sounds of life, the rustling of leaves, and the distant call of unseen creatures. A reminder of the delicate balance between hunter and hunted in this ancient land. In the vast expanse of the Kalahari desert, where the sun blazed mercilessly and the wind whispered through the sparse acacia trees, lived the community of San people, known for their unparalleled tracking skills and deep connection with the nature. They had roamed this land for the thousands of years. The San people, also known as the BUSHMEN, were the original inhabitants of the southern Africa. The wisdom and ways of life passed down through countless generations.
Yes, so we just found the rhino. It is in the middle of this bush right there. Here, here it is. There it is. There it is. Stop. See what just went this way. So we're currently here doing the rhino tracking with two bushmen ahead of us, hoping that every day we might find anything, especially for the rhinos. So, and the rhino which are found in here are white rhinos, so we keep on searching and hoping that we can find them anytime soon. So we have two spotters ahead of us. Keep on searching and looking for the footprints of the white rhino. So let's see how far we're gonna go. We have to see the rhino.
So we are out here with the two bushmen. We call them San people, but they're currently working at one of the famous lodge here in Botswana, and they're using them with their skills and expertise over the generations to track the wildlife by using their footprints and the wind. They know how they do it. When they see a footprint somewhere and they can tell this is a particular animal and how big that animal is, what kind of animal it is, just by using the experience over the generations. So now we set out to go looking for a rhino. There's quite a few rhinos out here, but some of them became very aggressive due to poaching, and yeah, so it became very aggressive, just like the one you can see right now.
Yes, so we just found the rhino. It is in the middle of this bush right there. Here, here it is. There it is. There it is. Stop. You stop.
sorry, we don't have a nice open view, but that's enough. We'll wait. We'll follow him until he goes in the open.
He's very aggressive, huh?
Either way. Willem, you want to fight today? Is that Willem? Gave him my father's name because my father is. We are in big, thick, thorny area.
I know.
So this is actually part of my experience being in Botswana, and I wanted to share it with you guys. For the time when we were tracking the rhino, you know, by accompanying with the San people. Previously, they used to be called Bushmen, but I think nowadays no one calls them Bushmen anymore. It's San people, and with their skills. So we learn a lot
Yeah.
with how you track the wildlife using the footprints and all that. And I want you guys to know that I'm happy to share this with you, and I'm set to go back anytime soon in Botswana, so there will be plenty more to come.
You wanna do that? Go chase it away. No one wants to do that.
If he goes that side, it's good for us.
She is single?
He is alone.
He's
Because
alone?
what he is doing now is he's marking territory.
Okay.
That's why you saw that drive marks in Europe. When he's finished with territory marking, then he's looking for the female.
He's always this aggressive?
Most of the time, but not always. He has no fear for humans, which is also a little bit of a problem because then it's easy to poach him. The
Oh,
females that is
yes.
so scared, it's much harder.
He's not skittish at all. The truckers were getting too close to it. They didn't know. If you do hear,
Did you see? His
yeah, he
ears,
saw the bush,
only ears.
and the bush was like moving.
Just where she is moving like that.
That's a two say ham ko hana eh. We'll just play until he goes. Hopefully it will start. What are you doing? I'm tension up. I'm giving you a Jurassic Park experience. Thank you very much indeed. Yes.
Start.
Can you see?
Yeah, she
Yeah, I see enough. Thank you. Is the view better?
Yes.
Yeah, that's perfect. Is the view alright?
Yeah. Ja, nee.
Yeah, I think it is.